In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect OpenMask to Dedust so you can actually buy meme coin or buy any token that is created on the Ton network. I'm going to be showing you step by step along the way how you can do that. Now, if you love content like this, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John Bosco. This is where I provide content about the financial market. Please leave a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. Let's go to the video right now. This is the video continuation on how to connect OpenMask to Dedust. As you can see, OpenMask is a Ton wallet extension that you can download on your PC to start transacting on the Ton network. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect it to Dedust exchange, which is a decentralized exchange on the Ton network. So as you can see, these are websites right here. You can actually click here to download it directly on your Chrome. You can actually read more information, but there is not much information about this OpenMask. This is like the way we have MetaMask and so many other wallets that you can actually use to connect on decentralized exchanges. So let me go to Google and type in OpenMask. Very simple. Just type in OpenMask. Once you do that, you can actually see more information. But I will go ahead and click on OpenMask Ton Wallet Chrome Web Store. Let me click on it. Once I find myself here, I'm going to go ahead to click on Add to Chrome because I want to use it on Chrome. And click on Add Extension. I've successfully downloaded the OpenMask Ton wallet has been added to Chrome. So I'm going to favorite it so it will be on top. This is it. I'll click on this pin. It will be part of my favorite extensions. So I can go ahead and click on it. Just tap on it. Then this is the two things you can do. You can create a new wallet or import already existing wallet. If you have already created a wallet with Tonkeeper, you can actually click on Import Wallet here. You can actually put in your password and import your wallet if you've already done that. But if you don't have a wallet, or if you want to have a second wallet, just click on Create Wallet. Let me set up a password 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is just a basic password. You can see. Warning: disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your crypto forever. So this is so important. I believe people who engage in decentralized platform understand how important secret recovery phrase is. But if today is your first time coming across decentralized application, it is important that you store and save your secret recovery phrase, whether in this OpenMask or any other wallet that you are actually interacting. So just click on show. So this is the recovery phrase on the account I just created. So as you can see, I made it public, but I'm not going to use this account. This is to show you how to do this. Very simple, and anyone can do this. Just click on create. Once you click on create, you have to put in the words. You can see for them to confirm that you have actually saved your recovery phrase, you have to put in the word 3, word 11, and word 22. Now this can be different on your mobile phone or your PC as you are doing this, but in this case, let me find my words and put them. Now the word 3 on my own recovery phrase is kata. Let me write it. I've imputed the words, which is word 3, word 11, and 122. So let me click on confirm. You can see they are verifying my identity. Let me put in the password. I've actually created an account and store my recovery phrase. So this is how you can do it. If you want to use your existing wallet, let's say you have created a wallet on Tonkeeper, you can recover it here. You don't need to create new one. But if you want to still create new one, still very simple, very basic. So this is it. I don't have any Ton here. We have successfully created a wallet. So let's go ahead and connect it to Dedust exchange. So for us to do that, you have to go to Dedust website, which is dedust.io. You can see on top right here. Now in Dedust, you can actually do 3 things here, which is swapping tokens, joining liquidity pools, staking your token. You can also check your portfolio. So once you are in this website, you can go ahead and read some information, but there is not much information here. This is a decentralized exchange, the way we have Jupiter for Solana, and we have Uniswap for Ethereum, and so many other decentralized exchanges. So you need to go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. Then you can actually see this option. You click on Connect Wallet. You find yourself here. Now this is the wallet you can actually connect. You can actually see this is Telegram wallet, this is Tonkeeper, and this is the OpenMask we just created. So you click on OpenMask. As you can see, we are connecting our Dedust to OpenMask to click on connect. You can see we have connected our wallet. Now these are the three things you can do. You can click on swap. If you want to trade meme coins, you can actually just click on swap and just start trading meme coins. You can click on pools if you want to participate in liquidity pools. You can see there are some liquidity pool right here. Hamster is, you can, if you stake hamster, you could be earning 70% APY. These are other things you can actually do. Turn USDT is about 18%. This is just, cool. You click on stake, you can actually stake some of your cryptocurrency in this platform. But in this case, I think you can only stake this particular crypto called Scale. This is the only thing that you can actually stake in this platform at the moment, at the time of making this video. Maybe in the subsequent months to come, you can actually stake all the things. You can see how simple it is to connect your OpenMask to Dedust. Very simple, just by downloading OpenMask, creating a wallet or recovering your already existing wallet, which is Tonkeeper, or you can create a new one. Then you just need to go to Dedust and click on connect wallet and connect your wallet and start trading. Maybe you want to trade meme coins or anything of your choice. All right, I believe you got value in this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.